25 sentences using the word despite.
Despite the rain, they went for a hike.
She finished the marathon despite her injury.
Despite his efforts, he couldn't solve the problem.
The concert was a success despite the technical issues.
Despite their differences, they remained good friends.
He managed to pass the exam despite not studying much.
Despite being tired, she stayed up late to finish her book.
The team won the game despite losing their star player.
Despite the high cost, they decided to buy the house.
She continued to smile despite the bad news.
Despite the challenges, they completed the project on time.
He was cheerful despite the long and exhausting day.
Despite her fear of heights, she climbed the mountain.
The garden looked beautiful despite the lack of rain.
He kept working despite feeling sick.
Despite her busy schedule, she always makes time for her family.
The movie was entertaining despite the poor reviews.
Despite the early hour, he was wide awake. The cake turned out well despite missing an ingredient.
Despite being a beginner, she played the piano beautifully.
He remained calm despite the chaos around him.
Despite the cold weather, they enjoyed their picnic. She excelled at her job despite her young age.
The event was a hit despite the last-minute changes.
Despite his doubts, he took the leap and started his own business.